When I video call to my palanga, I really want to make her happy. And what I want to do most is tease her, ha 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 ha, until she's mad. I hope the love between us doesn't fade because I'm already satisfied with what we have now.
Dami mong tanong na para bang nalilito. Lahat na sasabihin ko, wala namang sikreto to.
At kahit na ang layo ng pagitan